All right, last lesson was over adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials. So now we're going to start division. There's two different ways we're going to learn division. The first way is long division, my personal favorite. So in setting up long division, your problem is going to look like this. They're going to give you a polynomial divided by another polynomial. So you're going to rewrite it with the divisor on the outside and the dividend in the inside. So the point of long division is to see what you can multiply to the divisor to get you closest to the dividend. So long division actually has a lot of multiplication in it. All right, so we're just going to start this example. I'm going to write it over to the other side. So I have my divisor, x minus 4, and I'm dividing x squared plus x minus 17. So what I'm going to do is I want to see what I can multiply to get this x to be x squared. So if I just multiply x to this equation, so I'm going to do x times x minus 4. So that's going to give me x squared minus 4x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract these pieces. So I'm going to actually come in here and I'm going to subtract this one, and then that double negative would actually make that a plus. So x squared minus x squared cancels. X plus 4x is actually 5x. And then I bring down that negative 17. So again, what I want to do is I want this first term, x, to match this first term here, 5x. So here I'm going to multiply in a positive 5. So if I take 5 times x minus 4, when I distribute that, that's going to give me 5x minus 20. Now when I go to subtract that, I have to change every sign. So I'm going to subtract the 5x, but I'm going to add the 20. Again, 5x minus 5x cancels. Negative 17 plus 20 is 3. And then I look here, there is no way on earth to get this x up here to look like this 3. So I know I'm done with the problem. And the way I write my answer is I said, okay, I was able to divide it by x plus 5, but then I still had this remainder of 3. So I'm going to take that 3 and put it on top of my divisor. So when I divide those two polynomials, I'm left with x plus 5 plus 3 over x minus 4. So that's how you do long division. I wanted to do one more example with you so you could see what happens if you do have a number in front of your x. It still follows the exact same steps. So I'm going to rewrite this problem as 3x plus 1, and I'm dividing 15x squared plus 8x minus 12. So again, I want this first term to match this first term. So to get the 3x to match the 15x squared, I need to multiply in a 5x. So when I distribute that, I have 15x squared plus 5x. I am going to subtract, so we need to change all of our signs. 15x squared minus 15x squared cancels, that should always happen. 8x minus 5x is 3x. And then I'm going to bring down what's left behind. So again here, I want this first term to match this first term. Well, 3x and 3x already match. So what I'm going to multiply in is just a 1. Because if I distribute a 1 to every piece, everything just stays the same. Again, I'm subtracting, so I change every sign. 3x minus 3x cancels. Negative 12 minus 1 is negative 13. There's no way, shape, or form to get 3x to look like negative 13. So my answer is 5x plus 1 plus negative 13 all over 3x plus 1. So again, you take your remainder and put it on top of your divisor. And that is how you do long division. You have one try on your own problem. Set it up the same way, follow those same steps. You need to multiply something in to get your first two terms to match. Good luck.